Google Gemini can create beautiful dashboards, but what use is a dashboard without being connected to live data and being available for consumption by end users? In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a dashboard built with Gemini to a live data connection through a Google Sheet, and then to make that available for consumption for free and with no code in Google Sites. So let's head over to Gemini now and build live hosted dashboards in Google Sites. To start, we want Gemini to create our dashboard. So I'm giving it a prompt here. I want to create a dashboard. This is what I want in my dashboard. Connect to my Google Sheet to pull the data. I want the dashboard to update when it changes. And this is the most important thing. I'm embedding this dashboard in Google Sites. Please ensure the code will work in this format. Otherwise, Gemini may give you incompatible code. So I'm going into my Google Sheet. This is going to be my data source. I'm going to share, publish to web, and then I'm publishing that sheet as a CSV. I'm going to click publish here, and this will give me a URL, and this is the URL I'm going to put it into the prompt. So essentially what the app is doing is it's looking up this URL CSV for the data. I'm going to say I've published the sheet to the web as a CSV. Here's the link, and I'm going to switch on Canvas, which is going to be our backbone for creating our application, and this is going to run in Gemini. Gemini will now write the code for the dashboard, and this dashboard can be refined with a couple of prompts. If you don't like the look of it, I think this is fine. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this code. So go and take the code from this. I'm going to copy and paste this. And what I'm going to do is go to Google Site. Now Google Sites is free, where you can create a blank site. I'm going to go to my sites, go to pages, and then do a full page embed with the plus. I'm going to name this dash, and on the full page embed, I just add an embed and paste that code directly from Gemini in. And now I have a hosted Adidas dashboard that I can insert in here. Now I don't like the margin on that, so I want to make a change to dashboard. I'm going to tell them the margin does not look right. It's obviously made a mistake in the calculation because the margin is not 4,000. So while that's going on, I'm going to just make a quick change to the data. I'm going to change this to 700 million just to show you that this does update in real time from that data. I'm going to copy the code back into the site, and hopefully this will change the margin. I'm going to put this in, I'm going to save it, and what you can see now, it's analyzing this data, and you can see the sales has gone up and the margin has been fixed. This can also be used for project statuses and web components. This is a timetable for my fictional yoga studio. I've created this in Gemini. Same idea here. I've created a correctional facility yoga class. I've got a timetable in here. What I can do is I can just change on the sheet the time of my class and go straight back into Gemini, refresh this, and because it's connected to the sheet, this component is going to change live. I can take this timetable element out, going to copy this back into Google Site, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this again as a full page embed. So if I go to full page embed, and this will create another page which is just going to be called yoga timetable, and you can create a whole site of interconnected pages with this method. I'm going to paste this in, press next, going to insert this, and here is my yoga studio. Can go back into the sheet. I'm going to change the name of this class to Adam Changed This, and go back into my site. And when I refresh the site, you can see that this changes live in real time. So now I have a professionally designed timetable page, and I can change that in a Google Sheet. So I'm going to publish this to the web. I'm going to call this Analytics with A, and this will publish as a Google site to sites.google.com, and I have my yoga class and I have my dashboard as well in here, and that is the full workflow. So you create what you want to visualize your data in Gemini, you connect that to Google Sheet, you make those sheets public, and then you can have live websites hosted on Google Sites with your dashboard or company public information. If you want to use this workflow with company data, there's a more securitized version that you can use through Google Apps Script. It's a lot more complicated, but I will go through it in a later video. I hope you found this video useful. Follow for more.